Guten Tag, liebe Leute. So today I have a little quick tip for you. So on this channel, we read the Luther Bible, the 2017 revision, which has the German on one side and the English on the other side. So their English that they're using is the English Standard Version. Okay. So, if you would like to read the German Bible online, okay, all you have to do is go on the links on the website. So you can, first of all, you can buy this same Martin Luther Bible with the Amazon link that you see on the website. But if you would like to read along, okay, you look at the links and it says read along here. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, and this comes up. It is set on English. If you'd like to change the whole thing into German, you can by doing that. Okay, so you will see where it says right here in this little box, it says start in Genesis 8. So because I did Genesis 8 today as I recorded it, it is not uploaded yet, but it will be tomorrow. So let's say we're going to click on that. Okay. Now, if you would like to read along, you can right there with my video, which I'm going to post tomorrow. Or what you can do is see where the little icon is where it says show additional translations. It's right next to where it says LU17. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. So it is checked off with the Luther Bible. But if you'd like to see the side by side, in English, you scroll down and you can choose from English Standard Version or King James. So I'm going to put it on King James Version. That's the most used one around these parts. So then you can see how it comes up side by side. Now that's pretty cool, isn't it? So yeah, that's the quick tip I have today. So if you like this channel, if you please like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And yeah, keep studying German and keep studying the Bible.